What is going on, y'all? It's your boy AC, and I am back to answer a few of you guys' questions that I've been getting on my channel and on my Instagram.
One more beats, baby.
It is a beautiful day today, and I'm chilling at one of my favorite spots. I'm so thankful that the sun's out because we've been getting a lot of rain and a lot of, just crappy weather. And, I'm ready for summer. I don't know about y'all, but I am definitely ready for summer. A lot of you guys have been asking me questions on my Instagram and on my channel about the 35s that I have on my truck. You guys have been asking questions like, do they rub? How do they fit? Did you need to lift your truck? To give you guys the quick answers, yes, they fit. No, I didn't have to alter anything. No, I didn't have to cut anything. No, I don't have a lift on my truck. Although tomorrow I am getting a leveling kit put on it. So that's, pretty stoked about that. Do they rub? Yes, slightly, like ever so slightly, and it's only when I lock the wheel to the left, at full lock to the left. It's weird. If I do, full lock to the right, nothing, and that's in normal mode as far as ride height is concerned. Obviously, because my truck is on air ride, it's got the 4-corner suspension. When it's in entry exit mode, I've never fully locked it left or right in entry exit mode. My truck rarely sits at entry exit mode. I did it specifically for this video, and I got very, very slight rub, fully locked to the left again. My tires are a 35 by 12.5 R22 LT. To kind of get into the reason why I selected the Cooper STT Pros, or Cooper Discoverer STT Pros, they are an all-season and an all-terrain tire. The reason why I went with those is because in doing my research, I found that I'm gonna get the most miles out of those. I'm gonna get the longest tread life, I guess you can say, out of those. Some of the other ones that I was looking at that were pretty comparable and very popular actually are the Nito Ridge grapplers, and the Toyo AT3s, and BF Goodrich makes some good ones as well. But if I was to not get the Coopers, I would have went with the Nito Ridge grapplers for sure. As far as dry traction goes, they work extremely well when it's dry out. I don't have any issues doing anything. They're really grippy. With my stock tires, if I slam the gas, I'm spinning out. With these, I can still spin out obviously, but it takes a little bit more to do. As far as dry traction is concerned, I haven't had any issues with that. And if I was gonna give it a rating, it'd definitely be 5 stars. And as far as wet traction is concerned, they do extremely well as well. I've driven these tires in snow, rain, ice, you name it. I've definitely haven't experienced anything bad as far as that's concerned. As far as tread wear is concerned, I've had these tires on my truck for a little bit over 5,000 or 6,000 miles now, and I haven't had any issues. But the main reason why I chose the Coopers, if I'm going to be completely honest, is I really like the tread design and the rock climber sidewall that they have. I think they really look aggressive, and stance is everything to me when it comes to my truck. I've told you guys that before. All right, guys, to kind of sum up everything we just talked about, I'll go ahead and give you guys my personal rating on them on these tires based off of my experience. You know, maybe we can throw them up right here. There we go, mint. So as far as dry traction is concerned, definitely 4 stars. They have been doing really well. Haven't had any issues with them at all. As far as wet traction is concerned, it definitely rains here a lot in the Pacific Northwest. So you know, I'm driving around in the rain 90% of the time, and they've you know, held up fairly well. Haven't given me any issues at all. 5 stars. As far as snow traction is concerned, I've done a fair amount of driving in the snow with these tires, and they haven't been giving me any issues. I haven't had any problems whatsoever. 5 stars for sure. As far as your tread wear is concerned, like I said, I've had these tires for just over 5,000 miles, and they look the same as the day that I bought them. So I think that's going pretty well. 5 stars. As far as road noise is concerned, man, these tires are just as quiet as the stock. So definitely 5 stars. As far as ride comfort is concerned, they feel just as good as a stock. 5 stars. As far as handling is concerned, haven't had too many close calls or negative interactions on the road, so I haven't had to have, you know, too many instances where I had to react quickly. So, you know, I'll probably say 4 just because I can't really give you an accurate answer there. As far as steering is concerned, sometimes I hit corners pretty hard. Everybody knows I got a heavy foot, and I haven't had any issues there for sure. 4 stars. And then as far as off-road, I can't really give you guys an accurate answer as far as off-road is concerned, because the limited off-roading that I have done in this truck, I really wouldn't call it off-roading, for one, and for two, when I am off-road, you know, this is my baby, so when I am off-road, I am taking it pretty easy. So I'm not gonna rate as far as off-roading is concerned, but overall the tire has been extremely well for me. I would probably say 4.5. So there you go, there you have it. For those of you guys that are new to my channel, thank you for tuning in. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that like button. If you're enjoying the content, please hit that notification bell so that way you can be notified the next time that I upload a video. Yeah, so I'll see y'all on the road.
The cool thing about putting 35s on your truck though is it gives you like a 2-inch lift off the jump from the minute you put those tires on there.